Hey everybody, JC from JC Stacking here. I wanted to do a midday update on where gold and silver currently are. We're getting close to the end of the market today, and I wanted to do a quick video just updating everybody about where the prices are and where they have been. So let's look at where silver has gone today. Within the last hour, we did get up to, looks like around the 54 mark right here. And if we can zoom in a little bit here, we were briefly there, just a hair at 54. Pretty incredible stuff, if I do say. 54.22. Pretty astounding what silver and gold have been doing these last few weeks. Wow. If you are a stacker like I am, you are definitely in the green, and as long as you've been dollar cost averaging, of course. So as it comes to a close here, the paper market is definitely going to try to be beating us down here to try to keep us below the 54. Yesterday it was 53 at the close, and now we are well into the 50s, way past the half mark. Looking at gold here, it is currently sitting at $4,285 an ounce. It's currently 2:30 Eastern time, roughly, on October 16th of 25. And let's look at what the hour chart looks like for gold. It looks like it got just 60 cents shy of 4,300. Wow. Again, incredible day for the metals. Let's maybe look at the 4 hour. What does the 4 hour look like? Yeah. This is pretty insane stuff we are witnessing here. This is absolute history in the making here. Looks like it opened in Asia at around the 42 mark, and it's gone up 78 as it comes to the end. The DXY, let's take a look at that. Looks like the 5-day continuous downtrend for the dollar, and the quite opposite for the metals. Look at that. Wow. Very incredible. So I do want to congratulate everybody that is watching the channel. If you are a new stacker or never touched a piece of bullion in your life, now is potentially the time that you make the decision to get into precious metals. Even at these prices, don't feel like you can't get in. You just have to be smart and understand what your monthly or your weekly or your bi-monthly budget looks like that you can allocate to investing. Every piece, even 1 ounce, even 90%, a quarter, a silver quarter, is an investment to secure your wealth in the future. And by no means is this, sorry about that, freaking commercial. By no means are you putting your money into a depreciating asset such as we see here. Let's look at the year to date. I mean, January we were right there at, we were strong in January, and by the end of the year you can just see the downfall of the dollar here. And as we can zoom out here and see maybe what does the first of the year look like for silver or for gold. February here. It won't let me zoom out anymore, but you can see gold is on a absolute tear. Let me try to zoom in there for you a little bit, if I can. It's a little bit better. But yeah, I mean, you can see that gold is way up there. If you are looking at getting into gold, consider a strategy that I use. I buy fractional gold. I don't have, even at the time when these prices, when they were 2,000 an ounce, I didn't really have the necessary funds to stay within my budget to buy an ounce at that time. Now, am I kind of regretting my decision now? Yeah, a little bit. However, I'm also not, because I was able to stay true to my budget and understand my position and stack appropriately and stack, with a goal in mind, not overextending what my ability was at that time, my financial ability. And I would stress to you to consider the same. And we can zoom out here for silver. Let's see if it lets us do it just like it did with gold. And it looks like it's just going back to June. But you can see, I mean, we had a sideways trade, and people are going to say this is going to have a downfall, an adjustment in the negative. It very well may, but don't let that dissuade you from preserving your wealth in metals. Now, by no means is this financial advice. This is a guy on YouTube sharing a strategy that that person may have in preserving their wealth. And I would urge you to be smart, understand what your investments are, and don't go out and, because this video, don't go out and get a bunch of metals because JC Stackin said so. Do it because you are informed. An informed consumer is a smart consumer. And my thought is, if you don't own it or hold it, you don't own it. If you don't hold it, you don't own it. So that's why I stay away from the paper stuff and I buy the physical stuff. And when you get a piece of solid bullion in your hand and you hold it for the first time, you are going to understand where we're coming from, why all these stackers are saving all these shiny coins in a dark place in their, their vaults or their storage sheds or their garages or wherever they store it. You are absolutely going to understand when you hold it in your hand. But with that, I hope you guys got something out of the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And go check out some of my shorts. I have several shorts on there showing some of my stacking journey. When I get a nice piece that I like to show off, I post it on there. So I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one. JC Stacking, out.